Find a seated position that is comfortable for you, either on the floor or in a chair. If it's more comfortable for you, close your eyes lightly or soften your sight. Inhale deeply through your nose. Filling your lungs, and gently exhale through your mouth. Rep twice more, focusing on the sensation of your breath. Bring your attention back to your body. Take note of any points of tension or discomfort. Allow these sensations to be as they are, without judgment. Consider a warm, golden light softly descending from your head and moving down through your body. Feel any stress melt away as it hits each area, leaving you calm and at ease. Bring your attention to your breathing. Maintain a natural rhythm with your inhalations and exhalations. Consider each breath to be a gentle rolling in and out of a wave. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Exhale any worries or distractions and inhale peace. Now, turn your attention to your heart center, which is located in the center of your chest. Feel a warm, loving vibe emanate from this location. Allow this love to flood your entire existence with each breath. Visualize yourself in a peaceful natural place, such as a peaceful forest or a peaceful beach. Feel the link between your inner self and the tranquil surrounding. Consider setting an intention for the remainder of your day. What do you want to take away from this meditation? It might be peace, thankfulness, or patience. Slowly open your eyes when you're ready. Take a time to familiarize yourself with your surroundings. Bringing with you a sense of calm and focus.